Listed Company Section 252. A listed company refers to a public company that has its securities, shares, bonds, or other financial instruments listed and traded on a recognized stock exchange. Listing provides the company's shares with liquidity and visibility among investors, allowing them to buy and sell these securities through the exchange. Key characteristics of listed companies. 1. Public offering. Listed companies typically undergo an initial public offering, IPO, or follow-on public offering, FPO, to offer their shares to the public and raise capital from investors. 2. Stock exchange listing. Listed companies meet the listing requirements and guidelines of the stock exchange where their shares are traded. They comply with disclosure norms, financial reporting standards, and corporate governance practices mandated by regulatory authorities like SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, in India. 3. Investor base. Being listed provides listed companies with access to a broad investor base, including institutional investors, retail investors, and foreign investors, enhancing liquidity and market valuation of their shares. 4. Regulatory compliance. Listed companies are subject to stringent regulatory oversight to ensure transparency, fairness, and investor protection. They must comply with continuous disclosure obligations, periodic financial reporting, and corporate governance norms prescribed by securities regulators and stock exchanges. Regulatory framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013. While the Act does not specifically define listed company, it contains provisions related to public companies, governance practices, shareholder rights, and corporate actions applicable to listed entities operating in India. 2. SEBI regulations. SEBI regulates listed companies through guidelines and regulations governing listing criteria, trading practices, disclosure requirements, corporate governance norms, insider trading prohibitions, and market conduct to maintain market integrity and investor confidence. Importance and contributions. 1. Capital market access. Listing enhances a company's access to capital markets, enabling fundraising for growth initiatives, expansion projects, debt repayment, and working capital requirements through equity and debt offerings. 2. Investor confidence. Listing on a recognized exchange enhances investor confidence in the company's financial health, governance practices, and management credibility, fostering long-term investor relationships and shareholder value creation. 3. Market transparency. Listed companies provide regular updates and disclosures on financial performance, business operations, material developments, and corporate governance practices to ensure transparency and accountability to stakeholders.